dropped Samuel in the offering tray as an offering and left the temple. They may never see that child again. When I finished talking that night, I was shocked to see Dr. Mohan collected microphone from me and said, it's like our guest speaker understand what we do here. That it is now time for you to donate your own children for missions. Apart from the 500 missions, the church members were there and he gave an altar call. I was shocked to see more than 20 families, parents who carried babies and dropped their babies on the altar